Here, three definitions are there for continuity. The definition 1, definition 2, definition 3. Definition 1, a function f is said to be continuous at a point x is equal to a, which is belong to a domain of the function if fx has a definite value fa at x is equal to a, and limit f of x at x is equal to a exists, and limit f of x at x is equal to a is equal to fa. If one or more of the above conditions fails, the function f is said to be discontinuous at x is equal to a. If all three conditions satisfied, then function is continuous. This is definition 1. Then definition 2, what tells? I will check. Definition 2 tells a function f is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if f has a definite value of fa at x is equal to a, and for given epsilon is greater than 0, there exists a delta is greater than 0 depending on epsilon such that 0 less than x minus a ka magnitude is less than delta. That means fx minus fa magnitude is less than f. If this is satisfied, this also satisfied. If this is satisfied, if this also satisfied. Then for more, then if a is the point, a minus is delta here, a plus delta is here. At a point that fa value is there. At a minus delta that fa minus epsilon value is there. If a plus delta point that fa plus epsilon value is there. So that's why by definition said that function is continuous if it satisfies this. So that is it, function is continuous. This is called epsilon delta definition. Then comes to third definition that is more usually used, which is applicable in all programs. That is the definition. What is definition 3? That is if a function f is said to be continuous at x is equal to a, if LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value, where LHL is equal to left hand limit that is equal to limit f of x at x tends to a minus, means limit f a minus h when h tends to 0. Similarly, RHL is equal to right hand limit that is equal to limit f of x at x tends to a plus that is equal to f a minus a h tends to 0. Then functional value at x is equal to a, that is equal to fa. So here if LHL is equal to RHL, then the limit exists. If LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value, then function is continuous. Here, what is LHL? The left hand limit, that is the limit f of x at x tends to a minus. A minus means a minus h. That is the limit. In the place of x, we put a minus h, and that time h tends to 0. Similarly, RHL, that is the right hand limit, the limit f of x at x tends to a plus means in place of a plus, that means a plus, in place of x you put a plus h. A plus h you can put. Here h tends to 0. Now comes to the visualization or number line denotation, that is equal to x is equal to a, the left side that is equal to a minus, that is a minus a, and right side that is a plus, that is a plus a. Here h is that is small change, small change. So that's why in left side, if limit value, if you want to find, the left side value is equal to LHL limit value, and right side limit value is equal to RHL. Then at the point that is equal to functional value, that is fx, at x is equal to a, which is equal to fx. If LHL is equal to RHL, then limit exists. If LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value, then function continuous at the given point x is equal to a. So that's why it is necessary. Okay, if you take one example, then how can it is the okay showing? So you can check. This is the note. A function f is continuous and open interval if it is continuous at every point of the interval. इंटरवल में वो कंटिन्यूस होगा, इसका मतलब ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट में कंटिन्यूस होगा. A function f is said to be continuous in an open interval ab. It is continuous at each point on open interval. A function f is said to be continuous in closed interval ab if fx is continuous from right at x is equal to a. That is the limit f a plus h tends to 0 is equal to f. Okay? And fx is continuous from left at x is equal to a. That means limit f of b minus h tends to 0, that is equal to f of b. Then second, third, fx is continuous at each point of the open interval ab. Open interval ab. If three are satisfied, then function is continuous on closed interval. Okay, this is the node. Now come to the question. Examine the continuity. Examine the continuity of f of x modulus x at x is equal to 0. That means here we have to find out f x at x is equal to a, that is equal to f a, which is equal to a ka magnitude, that is equal to a value here, that is equal to 0, that means it's 0. Similarly, LHL is equal to limit fx at x tends to a minus, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, that is fx is modulus of x, that means limit 0 minus h modulus, and h tends to 0. That value comes limit h, when h tends to 0, that is equal to 0. RHL, that is equal to limit f of x at x tends to a plus, that is equal to limit modulus of x at x tends to 0 plus, that is equal to limit 0 plus h ka modulus when h tends to 0. That means limit h when h tends to 0 is equal to 0. Here LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value f of 0 is equal to that is the 0. So f is the continuous at x is equal to 0. Similarly, another question if given, you can check it. What the question? That is suppose greatest integer function is given. Examine there is the question to examine the continuity of fx, that is the greatest integer function. There is no point is mentioned. So that you have to take a point. What the point is given? The point you have to take, the point is here, let x is equal to c be a point. Maybe this point is maybe real number, okay? That is real number. So which is equal to S1 you have to take. S1 tells that x is equal to c be a real but not integer. Another case, that is the real but integer. That means a limit f of x at x tends to c. That means limit bracket of x at x tends to c. That means simple bracket of c will come. So function f is the continuous at x is equal to c. That is the real but not integer. Real but not integer. Now comes to case 2. That is the case 2 comes, which is equal let x is equal to c be an integer. That means LHCl is equal to limit x tends to c minus greater integer function, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 c minus h का greater integer. That means limit that c minus 1 इनका greater integer c minus 1. c minus h means h से कम, c से कम वाला वैल्यू, that is c minus 1 value will come. That is the goal है, whatever the value is given here, in between, that is the c and c minus 1, that is the c minus h value comes. So that's why that is the value c minus 1 comes. So the limiting value is equal to c minus 1. Then RHL is equal to, that is equal to limit greater integer value at x tends to c plus, that means limit h tends to 0 c plus h का greater integer value. That means it comes to h tends to 0, this is the c value, which is equal to c comes. c plus h मतलब c से ज़्यादा and okay c plus 1 से कम, so that value comes always c. So that here LHCl is not equal to RHCl. Hence f is not continuous at x is equal to c. Means c is what? C is the integer. C is the integer. Now take another question. Examine the continuity of the function fx is equal to 5x minus 4 if 0 less than x less than equal to 1, if 4x2 minus 3x if 1 less than x less than 2. Here which point we have to take, that means for checking purpose that point is continuous point or not. So here less than given and less than equal to given. Here that is the greater than given. If that three conditions are given, then you have to take that point. That means point is what? Point x is equal to, that is equal to 1. That means here LHL is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x that is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus 1 से कम वाला function that is 5x minus 4. That value comes limit x tends to 0 5 into 1 minus x minus 4, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 5 minus 5x minus 4. If you putting x value 0, that is comes to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. If you take RHL, that is equal to limit f of x at x tends to 1 plus, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, the function value 1 से ज़्यादा function that will come 4x cube minus 3x. This is position is the function का position 1 से ज़्यादा. That means 4x cube minus 3x comes. So that's why that value is equal to limit h tends to 0 4 1 plus x का whole cube minus 3 into 1 plus h. This is the value. That implies limit h tends to 0 4 into 1 plus x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 3, then minus 3x the value comes, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. This is 4 plus 4h cube plus 3 into that is 12h square plus 12h minus 3 minus 3h. The value comes. So now here h value 0 डालने के बाद तो value this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So that's why 4 minus 3 comes, that is equal to 1. Here LHL is equal to RHL. That's it. Limit exist. Now functional value fx at x is equal to 1. That is equal to 5 into 1 minus 4, which is equal to 1. Here LHL is equal to, here LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value f of 1, that is equal to 1. So function f is a continuous at x is equal to 1. This is continuous at x is equal to 1. This way you can find out the continuity technique. This is another question. How can you find the relationship between A and B? Here, that means here, given that f is a continuous at x is equal to, that means LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value, means f of 3. That means if you want to find out RHL, that is equal to limit f of x at x tends to 3 plus, that is equal to limit x से ज़्यादा function, that is bx plus 3 comes, that is x tends to 3 plus, that value comes limit b 3 plus h plus 3, h tends to 0. So that value comes, that is 3b plus 3. Now functional value f of x at x is equal to 3, that value comes f of 3 which is equal to ये a x plus 1 का वैल्यू x is equal to 3 डालने के बाद a into 3 plus 1 that is 3a plus 1. So that is 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 3. That's why 3a is equal to 3b plus 2. That implies a is equal to b plus 2 by 3. This is the relationship between a and b. This is the relationship between a and b. This is the properties of the continuity. If f, b and g be two continuous functions at x is equal to a, then f plus g is continuous at x equal to f minus g is continuous at x equal to f into g is continuous at x equal to f by g is continuous at x equal to a, provided g of a is not equal to kf is continuous at x equal to a, k is a real constant. F to the power m by n is continuous at x equal to a, provided f to the power m by n is defined on the interval containing a, m, n are integers. Goff is a continuous function at x. Goff is a composite function continuous. Every polynomial function is a continuous on the real line at every point. Every rational function is a continuous at every point, provided denominator is not equal to 0. Every logarithm function is a continuous. Every trigonometric function is continuous. Every inverse trigonometric function is continuous. Every exponential function is continuous. Okay, so different functions are there in continuous in different points. Now comes to what are the different discontinuity points. Okay, how to find out the discontinuous point? The discontinuity of a function. So a function is not continuous, that's said to be discontinuous. The discontinuity may be arise due to any of the following reasons. Limit f of f minus x tends to 0 is not equal to limit f plus x tends to mean LHS is not equal to RHS limit discontinuous. Function is discontinuous. Then LHL is equal to RHL, but not equal to functional value with discontinuous. If FK is not or functional value is not defined, at least one of the limit that is LHL or RHL does not exist, or at least one of the limit value that is minus infinity or infinity will count, then the function is discontinuous. What are the different discontinuity? Now, types of discontinuity. Types of discontinuity. That is the finite first kind. That is the finite discontinuity. This is the second kind. This is infinite discontinuity. If infinite, there is no solver. If finite, there is solver. That is the first is the jump. Second is removable. Third is oscillating. Oscillating. These are three finite discontinuity that we will discuss in further video. Please subscribe and share, and also give correct comments for better video. Thank you.